Mesolithic archaeological sites in India. UGC NET Anthropology. Welcome to AnthroNet Academy, a study aligned with UGC NET Anthropology syllabus. Dear learners, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, AnthroNet Academy, to keep me motivated to create more content for you. Don't forget to like, share, and hit the subscribe button. And make sure to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Gift on 1000 subscribers. AnthroNet Academy is excited to announce a special gift for our viewers once we reach 1000 subscribers. Why subscribe? We're bringing you the latest current affairs in anthropology, curated specifically for competitive exams. Stay updated with exam-oriented analysis, expert insights on recent developments, daily/weekly current affairs tailored for anthropology. Special surprise gift awaits all our early supporters once we hit 1K. Don't miss out. Subscribe now, be a part of our growing community, and take your anthropology preparation to the next level. Hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. AnthroNet Academy, your gateway to anthropology excellence. 1 Bagor, Rajasthan. Map location. State, Rajasthan. District, Tilwara. River, Kothari River. Importance. Largest Mesolithic site in India. Evidence of animal domestication. Settlement remains and microliths found. Shows transition to pastoral life. Located on sand dunes near river. 2 Tilwara, Rajasthan. Map location. Rajasthan. On Luni River Basin in Thar region. Importance. Important desert Mesolithic settlement. Microlithic stone tools found. Evidence of hunting economy. Shows adaptation to arid environment. Similar cultural phase to Bagor. 3 Langhnaj, Gujarat. Map location. Gujarat. Mersana district. Importance. Famous Mesolithic human skeleton discoveries. Evidence of hunting animals such as deer. Large number of microlithic tools. Burial practices identified. One of the most studied Mesolithic sites in western India. 4 Adamgarh, Madhya Pradesh. Map location. Madhya Pradesh. Near Hoshangabad, Narmadapuram. Importance. Rock shelters with Mesolithic remains. Microlithic tools discovered. Evidence of hunting scenes. Rock art present. Shows continuity from Paleolithic to Mesolithic. 5 Chopani Mando, Uttar Pradesh. Map location. Belan Valley. Prayagraj district, Uttar Pradesh. Importance. Evidence of transition to agriculture. Circular huts and hearths found. Microlithic tools and early pottery. Rice remains discovered. Excavated by G.R. Sharma. 6 Bhimbetka, Madhya Pradesh. Map location. Raisin district. 45 kilometers south of Bhopal. Vindhya Hills. Importance. UNESCO World Heritage Site. About 700 rock shelters. Famous prehistoric cave paintings. Continuous occupation from Paleolithic to historic times. Major Mesolithic Rock Art Center. 7 Sarai Nahar Rai, Uttar Pradesh. Map location. Pratapgarh district. Near Old Ganga River Channel. Importance. Important Mesolithic burial site. Human skeletons discovered. Evidence of fishing and hunting. Animal bones and shells found. Radiocarbon dating about 8400 BCE. 8 Birbhanpur, West Bengal. Map location. Near Damodar River. Paschim Bardhaman district. Importance. Early Mesolithic site in eastern India. Microlithic tools of quartz and chert. Evidence of hunter-gatherer life. Tool manufacturing site. Important for Eastern Indian prehistory. Master map. Important Mesolithic sites to mark in exams. Bagor, Rajasthan. Tilwara, Rajasthan. Langhnaj, Gujarat. Adamgarh, Madhya Pradesh. Bhimbetka, Madhya Pradesh. Sarai Nahar Rai, Uttar Pradesh. Chopani Mando, Uttar Pradesh. Birbhanpur, West Bengal. Tip: most Mesolithic sites are found near river valleys like Kothari, Luni, Belin, Ganga, Damodar. Thank you for watching. Stay connected.